Hi, my name is Sydney Clymer-Engelhart. It is January 16th, 2023, and I will be talking about the different anatomical structures of the brain today. My note that I have here are all the different structures that I will be talking to you about today. The first four I want to talk about are the four different lobes that are located up in the brain. Here's a better view of that. So these are both halves of the brain. This is the this is the posterior portion of the brain and the anterior. So this front portion is called the frontal lobe. Right on top is the parietal lobe. On each side of the brain is the temporal lobe, and in the very back is the occipital lobe. All right. And then from there, there's two different structures on the top of the brain. As you can see, how there's different bumps and grooves on the brain. The grooves inside the brain are the sulci, and right next to that, just the little ridges, are the gyri. Putting the brain back together, there's different fissures that go along. From the top, you can see down the middle, right here, that is the longitudinal fissure. And on the side right here, that separates the cerebrum and the cerebral hemispheres as the lateral fissure. All right, and then starting from the inside of the brain. All right. Let me just hold it. So from right here, on this top, you see this lighter colored portion. That is the corpus callosum. Inferior to that is, let's go right there. That's the thalamus. Right next to that, underneath, is the hypothalamus. Coming along to the side, right here, that is the midbrain. Coming down on the side here, that is the medulla oblongata. And then coming back from the top again, this whole area on top that is divided into two hemispheres, that's the cerebral cortex. And then again, inside, the brain is made up of both white and gray matter. On the inside here, this is all white matter. And then the three meninges that make up the three layers of the brain include most external, the dura mater. Internal to that is the arachnoid mater. And the most internal layer is the pia mater. Thank you.